Hey YouTube, Psychedelic Furs have a song called The Boy Who Invented Rock and Roll. We're going to cover it. It's off their new album, Made of Rain. It's a really great album with a lot of good songs on it. This one has pretty easy, beginner-friendly E minor, B minor, A minor, 7, and it's got a C. We'll just call it a C major 7. We're just going to play it up here, no index finger. Alright, it goes like this. I'll do a little verse and then into the chorus. My glitter hips, the bloodless art. The end of days, a starless dark. A bag of tears where love is gone. The darling days, a siren song. Rock and roll. I am the boy who invented rock and roll. The breathless air, the frozen time. All right, that's I think I got the chorus right there, but we'll double check it. But the verse is E minor. In the song, I think they're just playing like just chiming the top 3 strings. Mostly the top 2. Okay. Then at the end of the verse, it goes to B minor. And then A minor 7. Before going back to E minor. Then you can go into the next verse or the chorus. The chorus is they go to G instead of E minor. G to B minor. Who invented rock and roll? I am the boy who invented rock and roll. Oh yeah, that's what I did wrong. In the chorus, it goes G to B minor, G to B minor. Then it starts over. I am the boy to B minor, and then it goes to C. Major 7. I played C major, but we leave our index finger off. It makes it sound more cool. And then it goes to D minor in the last rock and roll. So all together it's G. I am the boy who invented rock and roll. Okay, starts over. I am the boy who invented. That's the C major 7, rock and roll. Back to E minor, and then you're ready to go into the next verse. Alright, that's the song. Pretty cool. Great lyrics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.